Welcome students, this is the second part of chapter number 6, Introduction to C++. Output function of C++. Output function of C++ is used to print message or value for user. Cout function works as output function. Operator is used with cout function. We have to include iostream.h header file for cout function. Full form of iostream.h is input output stream. We can use output operator more than one time with cout function. Single time for message, multi times with value are given below with syntax and examples. Input function of C++. Input function of C++ is used to get value from user. Cin function works as input function of C++. Mainly it is used to get numeric values from user. Input operator is used with cin function. We have to include iostream header file for cin function. We can use input operator more than one time with cin function. Single time and multiple times are given below with syntax and example. CLR, SCR and getch. CLR, SCR stands for clear screen. It is used to clear the run window at execution time of program. Getch stands for get character. It is used to hold the run window after execution the program to see output until any key pressed by keyboard. Both functions works under conio.h header file. Full form of conio is controlling of input and output. Structure of C++ program is given below. Data types. Any information which is provided by user is known as data, and types of data are known as data types. There are following types of data: numeric value with decimal, which includes int and long, whose ranges and memory is given below. Second, memory value with decimal. A float and B double. Ranges and memories are given below. Third, alphabetic value. Memory is given below. Programs of C++ programming language are also given below. There are total 6 programs. Reference variable is also given below. This was all about second part of chapter number 6, Introduction to C++. We will continue this chapter later on.